A young woman from Bhogore locality of Balesar district alleged on Tuesday that she was blackmailed, abducted, drugged and later gang raped by a local youth and his associates. According to the rape survivor's FIR, the accused was forcing her into a physical relationship and marriage. However, since she was already engaged for marriage elsewhere, she had refused. In retaliation, the accused had threatened to leak obscene videos and called her to meet him on the pretense of a settlement. On the night they met, around 5 months ago, the woman was allegedly drugged and abducted to Baripada, where she was held captive and subjected to repeated sexual assault for over the last 5 months. The rape survivor claims she eventually escaped and reached Bhogare police station, where she recorded her statement. Shockingly, her family had already lodged a written complaint in March, but the police allegedly did not act. As of now, no official response has come from the Bhogare police regarding the serious allegations, despite mounting public concern over the safety of women.
ସେଇଠି ନେଇକି ଗଲା ପରେ ସିଏ ମୋତେ ରଖିଥିଲା ବାରିପଦାରେ ନେଇକି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଉଠିଲି ବେହୋସରୁ ହସ୍ ଆସିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବାରିପଦାରେ ଥିଲି। ବାରିପଦାରେ ତାର ମାମୁଁ ପୁଅ 3 ଜଣ ମୋର ଅନିଚ୍ଛା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବି ମୋର ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ମୋ ସହିତ ଶାରୀରିକ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖିଥିଲେ। ପୁଣି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମନା କଲି ସେଇଠି ମୋତେ ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଲେ, ବହୁତ ଅତ୍ୟାଚାର କଲେ। ଏମିତି ଗୁଇଠା ବିଧା ମାଡ଼ ବି ଖାଇକି ମୁଁ ଥିଲି। ଆଜି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲି ଘରେ ସବୁ ଶୋଇଛନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ମୋ ମାଆଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ କରିକି ଡାକିଲାରୁ ସିଏ କହିଲେ କି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତୁ ଆସ ଆମେ ଯାଉଛେ। ତ ମୁଁ ସେଇଠୁ ମୋ ବସ୍ ଧରିକି ସେଇଠୁ ଅଧା ରାସ୍ତା ଆସିକି ସେଇଠୁ ଅଟୋରେ ଆସିକି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଥାନାକୁ ଆସିଲି।